Today I'm going to show you how to set your computer to easily and quickly switch between audio sources. The first thing you're going to need is a program called SoundSwitch. The link to its website can be found in the video description. I already have it opened here in a second tab. Once you're on the SoundSwitch website, click on the blue download button. On the Save File window, choose a folder of your choice to download SoundSwitch to, such as the Windows Download folder, then click the Save button. If the window does not appear for you, your browser might be set to download automatically to the default download folder. No need to worry about it, you can always locate the file there later, if needed. As you can see, I already have the file downloaded, so let me just click Yes to replace it. Once the SoundSwitch file finished downloading, hover your mouse cursor to the browser's download history, or recent downloads, and click the newly downloaded file to start the installation. On the UAC dialog box, click Yes to start the SoundSwitch setup. Select your language, then click OK. Accept the license agreement, and then click Next. Continue to click Next until you reach the installation's end page. I already have SoundSwitch installed, which is why there's an extra page added to the setup to close the started program. On the end page, uncheck all boxes, then click Finish to exit the setup. You may now minimize or close your browser. On your desktop, locate the SoundSwitch icon, then double-click it. You will now see the SoundSwitch icon appearing in the Windows notification area. Right-click the notification area icon, and click Settings. The Playback and Recording tabs allows you to set which devices SoundSwitch can toggle between, but we won't be touching that today. Instead, switch to the Profiles tab. As you can see, I already have a few profiles set up. To add a new profile, click the Add button. For now, I will select one of my existing profiles and click Edit to show you how it's done. Don't forget, you need to click the Add button, not Edit like myself. First, I would advise you to start with a profile for your default devices, to easily switch back to it later. Give the new profile a name, for example, something like My Speakers or My Headset. For a first profile, as I advised, make sure all three checkboxes below the name are checked. Then, select your playback, recording, and communication devices for the profile. Under Triggers, open the drop-down box, and select Hotkey, then click Add. Now, click the hotkey line in the box below to highlight it. Then, click inside the text box to the right and press the desired hotkey combination on your keyboard. Finally, click the Save button. You've now set up your first profile. Click the Add button again to set more profiles as needed. When done, click Close. Now, let's test our new profiles. Press the hotkey combination you selected for any of the profiles. You will see these semi-transparent pop-ups on your screen, indicating which profile and devices have been activated. Press another hotkey combination to switch to another profile. That's all, you've now set your first SoundSwitch profile successfully. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.